Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you have ever wanted to create incredible AI generated videos but didn't know where to start, today's your lucky day. In this video, I am going to walk you through how to make AI video using two powerful free tools, FreePic for assets and Runway ML for AI video creation. By the end of this video, you will know exactly how to create stunning visuals with minimum effort. Let's jump in. So the first step is go to freepic.com, then go to tools, then AI image generator, then enter the text for image generation. Then select the style of the image which you want to create. Then press enter. For adding animation in the image, go to runwayml.com. Then sign up with your ID. Then go to generate video, upload the image, and add the customized prompt. Then click generate. I have generated two clips. Now I merge it through Canva. Go to Canva. Select the desired video size. Upload the video clips. and your AI video is ready. Hope you will make awesome videos after watching this tutorial. Thank you.